Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today, let us begin the next part of our topic, our state, Karnataka. In the previous class, we have studied about the richness of Karnataka, greatness, architecture, culture. Okay. Today, we'll be studying about the geographical locations, the neighboring spots of Karnataka, and the size of Karnataka. Let us start. Karnataka is one of the 29 states of India. Yes, you all know that India has how many states? 29 states, among which Karnataka is the one. It is situated in the southern part of India. As you all know, we are South Indians and we are lying in the southern part of India, in the western central area of the peninsular region. It extends from 11 degree 31 minutes north to 18 degree 45 minutes north latitude and 74 degree 12 minutes east to 78 degree 40 minutes east longitude. You all know what do you mean by latitude and longitudes. Latitude are the lines that are running from east to west and longitude are the lines that are running from north to south. So this is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of our state Karnataka. Now let us understand the length and the breadth or the width of Karnataka. Its length is 750 kilometers, stretching from Aurad Taluk in Bidar district in northernmost tip of the state to Chamarajanagar district in the south. So the length of Karnataka is how much? Total 750 kilometers. And it extends from where to where? From Aurad Taluk in Bidar to Chamarajnagar district in the south. And its width is 400 kilometers from west to east. Karwar is in the Uttar Kannada district and it is in the western side. Whereas Mulbagal Taluk in Kolar district is at the eastern end. So western end is Karwar and eastern end is Mulbagal Taluk in Kolar district. Got it? Now which are the neighboring places of Karnataka? Karnataka state has both land and the water frontiers too. What are frontiers? Frontiers means a line or a border that is separating the two places. So the Karnataka has both land and water boundaries, we can say. The Arabian Sea is in the west. On the western side of Karnataka, we are seeing which sea? Arabian Sea. States of Maharashtra in the north, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana in the east, Tamil Nadu in the south and southeast, Kerala in the southwest, and Goa in the northwest forms its frontiers. So these are all the neighboring states and places of Karnataka. You can see in the map. The shape of Karnataka resembles a cashew nut. Yes, what is a cashew nut? Cashew nut means kaju. Whenever you see this dry fruit by name cashew nut or kaju, you can remember Karnataka, right? Now, what is the size of Karnataka? Karnataka stretches over an area of 1,91,791 square kilometers. Means the total area of Karnataka. Okay, the total area of Karnataka is how much? 1,91,791 square kilometers. It is India's 8th largest state with regard to area, and according to the 2011 census, it has the ninth position with the population of 6 crore 11 lakhs 30,704. So India, according to the area, in India, Karnataka is at the 8th position, and according to population of which year? 2011. Now it is 2020. So no doubt the population has increased. But in 2011 census, the population was 6 crore 11 lakh 30,704. And it was on which position? Ninth position according to population and 8th position according to area. Karnataka occupies 5.83% of India's geographical area. So the total area of India, in that how much percent is Karnataka? 5.83%. At present, there are 30 districts in our state. So in our state, how many districts are there? 30 districts are there. These districts comprises 176 taluks, 747 hoblies, 347 towns and cities, and 27,481 villages. So how many districts are there? 30 districts. And these 30 districts are again comprised of how many talukas are there? 176 taluks are there. And hoblies, how many hoblies are there? 747 hoblies. What are hoblies? Hoblies are the revenue circles for administrative purpose. For administrative purpose, these are places have been divided into hoblies. So these are found only in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, there are how many hoblies? 747 hoblies. 347 towns and cities. And how many villages? 27,481 villages. Now, Belgavi district is the largest in the size and Bengaluru urban district is the smallest. So, in Karnataka, according to size, which district is the largest district? Yes, it is Belgavi district, and smallest district is Bengaluru urban. Now, the capital city of Karnataka is Bengaluru. Yes, everybody knows the capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. The state has been divided into 4 divisions for administrative convenience. For administration purpose, the state has been divided into 4 divisions. And which are those divisions? Yes, first is Bengaluru division. We have studied this earlier. You can name the others. Come on fast. Next is Mysuru division. Yes, next Belagavi division, and next Kalburgi division. So these are the divisions of Karnataka, and these are divided for what purpose? For the purpose of administration. For proper administration, the state has been divided into 4 divisions, and the 4 divisions are Bengaluru division, Mysuru division, Belagavi division, and Kalburgi division. Okay, understood? So I hope you all have understood. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Allah Hafiz.